Good morning, students, and welcome to the class. Today, in our English grammar book, we are going to do a comprehension that is on page number 106. Page number 106. So, open page number 106 in your grammar book, and the first comprehension is the spider. Comprehension means there is a paragraph or a poem or a passage that we have to read carefully, and after reading it there are the question answers that, and the answers of those all question we will get in the same comprehension or in the same passage. So read the comprehension carefully for giving the answers of the questions. So let's start the comprehension. The spider. Everyone knows spider is an insect. In Hindi we just use the word makdi, that is the spider. Okay. So start reading. Oh, look at that great ugly spider, said Anne. Anne is the name of this girl, and she is saying, look at that great ugly spider. Ugly means that is not beautiful. Opposite of beautiful is ugly. देखो कितनी ugly spider है. And screaming, she brushed it away with her fan. And screaming, screaming means डर के चिल्लाना. When we shout loudly, that is known as the screaming. Okay. और उसने बहुत तेज चिल्लाया. She brushed it away with her fan. और उसने उसको अपने फैन ब्रश्ड इट अवे मीन्स उसको दूर के साइड ब्रश्ड इट अवे उसको दूर के साइड भगा दिया विद हर फैन. टिस अ फ्राइटफुल ब्लैक क्रिएचर एज एवर कैन बी. फ्राइटफुल मीन्स डरावना. हु फ्राइटन अस. ये एक बहुत ही डरावनी ब्लैक क्रिएचर है जो कि हो सकती है हमेशा. मीन्स ये हम क्या है एक ब्लैक क्रिएचर में एंड फ्राइटफुल ऑल्सो, डरावनी ऑल्सो. आई विश डैट इट वुड नॉट कम क्रॉलिंग ऑन मी. और मैं विश करती हूँ कि ये स्पाइडर क्रॉल करती हुई प्लीज़ मेरी तरफ तो ना आए. क्रॉल मीन्स रेंगती हुई मेरी तरफ ना आ जाए. ओके. इंडीड, सैड हर मदर. I'll venture to say. Then at the same time her mother came and she said, indeed, सच में. I'll venture to say. I'll venture to say. मैं तो ये कहना चाहती हूँ तुम्हें. The poor thing will try to keep out of your way. ये जो बेचारी है, poor thing, it's not a non-living, so here it means poor means गरीब, but in this it's not meaning the गरीब. बेचारा word is used. Okay. ये जो बेचारा इंसेक्ट है, बेचारी इंसेक्ट है, वो तो खुद कोशिश कर रही है कि तुम्हारे रास्ते पे ना आए. For after the fright and the fall and the pain, it has much more occasion than you to complain. For after the fright means डर, and the fall means गिरना, and the pain means दर्द. It has much more occasion. Occasion means here reason. Occasion means here reason than you to complain. इतने डर के बाद, गिरने के बाद और इतने दर्द के बाद ये जो स्पाइडर है, जो ये एक बेचारा जीव है, ये बेचारा जो क्रिएचर है, इसके पास तुमसे ज़्यादा रीजन्स हैं. मोर ओकेजन्स, तुमसे ज़्यादा रीजन्स हैं. टू कंप्लेन करने के लिए तुमसे ज़्यादा रीज़न तो इसके पास हैं. ओके. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द comprehension related to the spider and the girl. And the girl is just frightened of that spider, but the mother is saying, as you are just scared of this spider is also scared of you, because you are screaming, you brushed it out, and you are just making that insect fright. So not to do the complaints, because the spider have more reasons, more occasion to complain for you. This was the comprehension. I hope all of you understand. Now let's do the question answer. So first thing, you have to do all the question answer in your book only. First is, what is this poem mainly about? Yes, what is this poem mainly about? Child has a pet spider? No. Mother scolding her child? No. A child who was frightened by a spider. Yes, ये mainly poem किस पे related है ये? It's related to the frightened girl by a spider. एक बच्चा जो कि स्पाइडर से डर रहा है. Second, why did Anne scream? Scream means चिल्लाना. Why did she scream? A spider bit her? No. A spider crawled on her? No. She had a fright and fall. क्योंकि वह बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई थी. So this was the reason of the screaming. After the next, who is the frightful black creature? Yes. Who is the frightful black creature? यहाँ डरावना ब्लैक कलर का क्रिएचर कौन है? मदर? नो. एन? नो. The right answer is spider. Spider, according to the girl, the spider is a frightful black creature. Number third, who is the poor thing? Yes, who is the poor thing? Yes, as we read in the poem, there the mother is saying poor thing to the spider. Yes. So, what is the poor thing? The poor thing is the spider. Next question. Write 3 reasons why the spider has most reason than Anne to complain. आपको यहाँ 3 reasons लिखने हैं कि एन से ज़्यादा जो एन है, एन से ज़्यादा स्पाइडर के पास ज़्यादा रीज़न है कंप्लेंट्स करने के. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव रिटर्न एज एन स्क्रीम्ड ऑन इट, क्योंकि एन उस पर बहुत जोर से चिल्लाई थी. ब्रश्ड इट अवे विद हर फैन, उसको उसने वहाँ से भगाया था. मेक इट फ्राइटन, जिसकी वजह से वो स्पाइडर उस गर्ल से डर रही थी. These are the reason that spider can also complain, कि spider चाहे तो वो भी complain कर सकती है. The next question. Now write words from the poem for each of these. Do not repeat any of the words. Means from the poem we have to find proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun. बट वी हैव टू नॉट रिपीट, हमें कोई भी एक वर्ड रिपीट नहीं करना है. सो एज वी नो इन द पोम देयर इज ओनली वन प्रॉपर नाउन. प्रॉपर नाउन मीन्स स्पेशल नेम, that is only the N. Common noun is here mother. Okay, concrete noun means that we can touch, we can see, so that is the spider. We can write the mother also, we can write the N also, but we have to not repeat the words, so I have used here spider. Abstract noun means that we can't see, can't touch, we can, it's just a quality we can say, or we can just feel only. For example, we have written here fright means डर लगना एक क्वालिटी हो सकती है किसी पर्सन की, जिससे कि हम क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, फील, देख नहीं सकते. वी कांट टच, वी कांट स्मेल, वी कांट हियर, that is a internal feeling or the quality. So fright is the abstract noun. Countable noun means that we can count. So in this part the fan is there. An uncountable noun that we can't count means screaming. Screaming means chillana. We can't count scream, so that is the uncountable noun. Yes students, it was your comprehension. Just read it again and do the work in your grammar book. Thank you students. Goodbye.